Most people think investing in stocks is complicated, but you can start with just $10. In this video, I'll show you how to invest in stocks step by step in a very simple way. A stock means you own a small part of a company. For example, if you buy a stock of Apple or Amazon, you become a small owner of that company. When the company grows, your money grows too. Now let's talk about how to start. First, open a brokerage account. You can use apps like Robinhood or Fidelity. Second, add some money. You don't need a lot. Even $10, $20, or $50 is enough to start. Third, buy your first stock. If you are a beginner, choose big companies or index funds like the S&P 500. Now here is the most important part. Don't try to get rich fast. Instead, invest a small amount regularly, like every month. Think long-term, at least 3 to 5 years, and don't panic when the market goes down. Many beginners make simple mistakes. They put all their money in one stock. They follow hype on social media. Or they sell in fear when prices drop. Avoid these mistakes. Here is a simple example. If you invest $100 every month, your money can grow over time because of compound interest. This means you earn money on your money. So remember, start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Subscribe for more simple investing tips.